Want to add your favorite saved audio to your Instagram story? It's super simple. Whether it's a trending sound from a reel or a catchy tune from a story, I'll guide you through the steps to save and use it effortlessly. First, to save an audio, find it in any reel or story and tap on the song name. Then, hit the save icon to add it to your saved audio list. Just remember only officially available tracks can be saved, not original audio from other users. Once your audio is saved, open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new story. Select the photo or video you want to use, then tap the sticker icon at the top. Choose the music option and head over to the Save tab, where all your saved tracks are stored. Pick the one you like, adjust the timing to match your story perfectly, and you're good to go. And that's it. Now you can easily add saved music to your Instagram stories. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.